apply the pressure, but you got to be able to pull fast when this thing starts going. Don't think you're going to plant yourself somewhere. Yeah, you've got get a lot of pressure. Don't tie yourself to the rope and don't get tangled up in it. When this thing starts going, you guys can't stop pulling. Okay? And Alex, you can't stop applying pressure. Okay? Apply constant pressure. And if it seems like it's having a hard time going in between these trees, you got to pull as hard as you can, okay? And Ben, you may be the one to signal Alex. You got a lot of pressure, don't tie yourself to the rope. You got it between that loop that I made? Hey, Jack, don't put yourself around that rope and get the rope away from your legs. You guys are very important in making this thing happen and work. All right, lots of pressure, guys. You got a lot of pressure on it, Ben? Yeah. Okay. Don't keep the constant pressure. Don't pull and let go, okay? We don't want this thing to sway. Ben, don't be afraid to walk around that one tree back there as it comes down. Jack, you want to pull hard. This thing, it could start cracking right now. All right, once it starts cracking, you guys got to pull. Okay? How much pulling did you do, Alex? Looking back on it, it looks like you need a heck of a lot more time.
Well, I could like see something like that. That's fine, Dad.
No, it's fine.
That's like perfect.
That sucker was a